Are you dreaming of building a chic capsule wardrobe, but are you scared of it being boring and all beiges and neutrals? If that's how you feel, come to the front of my class. These are the chapters of this video and let's get started. Before buying or doing everything, I want you to actually take a piece of paper, a pen, and write down what is your lifestyle. What do you need to do every single day in your life, in your work, in your lifestyle? Everything counts because we are not the same. Everyone has a different life, has a different lifestyle, as well as if you're a corporate girl or you can work from home or travel all the time, then you have to adapt your lifestyle and your outfits to the occasions that are suitable for you. So think about your every single day life. From the moment you wake up, the moment you have breakfast, what is your work environment? Can you work from home? Do you have to go in an office? Do you travel all the time? And then what happens when you come home from work? Do you go to the gym? Do you stay home? What do you like to wear when you go to bed? Think about your every single day life, write it down, and write how you usually dress. And after this homework part, it's time for number 2, which is to take pictures and catalog your entire closet. Now, I know there are many apps that you can do this. You can also just do it on your phone, take pictures of your outfits or your singular items and catalog into your iPhone, make folders, and make sure you know exactly what you have in your wardrobe. Because trust me, most of the times you forget about things that could actually save your life in specific situations. But because you have so many clothes and you don't know where they are, you actually end up wearing the same things over and over and over and think you need to build a whole new wardrobe every single time. Now, after you've done that, I want you to actually look at all the clothes and think about what is your actual style. Think about if you like it or not, if it represents the woman that you are right now, or if you would like to actually change things up a bit, or how you would like to dress every single day. Because chic and elegant doesn't mean boring and neutrals and beiges. I swear by this, I live by this, I will die on this statement. The most elegant and chic women are the ones that have confidence and know what their style is. It can be completely colorful and you can still look chic and elegant. If you'll ever come to visit Italy, you'll find that women here doesn't follow trends that you see on social media. Like here, everyone has its own unique style. You'll probably get judged on that, but this doesn't matter here because what you really need to focus on is understanding what your style is and building a wardrobe that is functional and actually allows you to wear things every single day without having an identity crisis every other day. Okay, let's go. So in finding your style, I also want you to understand if you've done any studies on your face, on your body shape, on your color analysis, that can be also helpful for you in understanding what is your actual style and what colors or shapes suits you the best. Because trust me, we all made the mistakes of like wearing something that didn't fit us very well, but it not because our body was wrong, it was because the shape of the clothes was completely wrong. Trust me, I know that. And it's not funny. I don't want that to happen to you. Now that you find your style, it's time to put your spin on the clothes you already have. And I think I'm mastering this because, for example, I really love the pin-up vibes, the whole Hollywood, South Italy, Dolce & Gabbana, dark feminine, but I also love to be light feminine. So for example, I did this particular embroidery on a pair of jeans that were black basic that I bought from H&M. And the reason I did that, it was because I wanted to have the Sacred Heart. For me, that particular spin on that particular piece of clothing made me realize a boring like black trouser can become something unique I can actually want to wear more often. These have become my favorite pair of jeans and I wear them all the time. Another thing I actually did was to take clothes off my grandma's closet. I think your grandmas as well may have things hidden in her closet that you would actually want to find out. Back in the days, the quality was really superior than nowadays, and most clothing that you'll find in your grandma's closet will actually fit you. Putting a spin on your particular style can also be like having a scarf or having embroideries or adding pearls or adding specific jewelry. Like it can be anything. You can actually change your clothes as well. Don't be afraid to cut out parts. Don't be afraid to learn how to sew, how to embroider. I know that if you don't have a lot of time, it can be a little difficult. For that, I would recommend just adding accessories first. Actually take that to a seamstress or a tailor and just tailor that to your body and you're good to go. The things you already have in your wardrobe, if you change very little details, those will become your staples and and that's how you actually build a chic wardrobe. Now, if after all these tips you still want to go out shopping, make sure you're following this 3-step process that I've actually mastered over the years. I've bought so many clothes that I never wore. Right now, before buying anything, I actually check these 3 things. So first of all, whatever thing you're picking on, think about 3 ways you can actually wear this. And that's why you need to have a catalog of all of your clothing. Now, after you start to do this, you will remember the clothes that you have and that you usually wear, and that will allow you to make this change easily. If not, just take your phone and look at your wardrobe and think about in what ways I can wear this with. Now, the other thing you need to think about is 3 occasions you can wear that item to. Can you wear that to your work, to your everyday, at home, in an evening date, dinner date, brunch date, lunch date, vacation? Is this something that you would love to wear to another country? And what other countries can you wear that outfit to? After that, think about at least one bottom, top, coat, shoe, and jewelry you can wear that item with. Make sure you're doing that because it's not fancy, but it's really practical and will save you money, time, energy, and a lot of stress. Okay, my loves, this was the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments and let me know what other type of videos you would like to see, and make sure you're subscribing to the channel. I'm planning on doing more of these videos. Make sure to hit the like button as well, and follow me on Instagram and TikTok as well, as I share more of my daily life there. Bye!